Measures 6/180. Time for the player. Time for the banker. Player 7 to win 10 winners. For first play, extra for the banker. Extra for the player and banker. Player wins 8/5. Congratulations. Wish you good luck for
Knife of the player, Baccarat for the bank player is lined up, Baccarat Predictor App. Congratulations to the winners. Good luck in the fall. For this good luck. All of the players have the bank is good for the player. Bank raise 7 first like she said. Let's go, let's good luck. Knife of the player to for the bank double throw. Bank raise 4 to congratulations. For the player, 5 for the bank is good for the player. Banker wins 5 of his ring. Congratulations to the winners. Good luck in the full long count. That's good luck. 7 for the player, 5 for the bank is good for the bank. Baccarat for the player, Baccarat for the bank, double draw. Play is to Baccarat congratulations to the winners. Good luck.
some for the player. 6 for the banker instead of 5 winners. This player. The banker. It's not the next one. Player, Baccarat banker, player inside of a Baccarat complex winner is 29 if you won this round. Take player, take banker, double throw. Let's it open. Take the player, three the banker, player inside of a complex winner is 6 for player, players, player, 1 for banker, 6 for banker. Turn. Waiting time, please. 1 for player and 6 for banker. Extra card for player. And banker wins 6 over Baccarat. Congratulations, special congratulations, sir. 3 for player and 9 for banker, and banker wins 9/3. Congratulations, special congratulations, heart of a bad combination. 3 for player and Baccarat for banker, it's a double draw. And banker wins 5/Baccarat. Congratulations, special congratulations, heart of a bad. Please. 1 for player and Baccarat for banker. It's a double draw. And player wins over Baccarat. Congratulations, special. Waiting time, please place your bets. 5 for player and 7 for banker. Extra card for player. And banker wins 2 times in a row. Dear Savage, good luck. 3 for player and 5 for banker. Extra card for player. And banker wins 5/3. Congratulations, special congratulations, sir. Please place your bet on bank. 1 for player and 6 for banker. Extra player. And banker wins 6/1. Congratulations, special congratulations, sir. Winners, it's betting time. Good luck. Baccarat for player and 1 for banker. It's a double draw. And banker wins 9 over Baccarat. Congratulations, special share bets and banker wins 6 for player and Baccarat for banker, extra card for banker. And it's tied with 6. Congratulations, yours. Special congratulations, Sarah.